Hey, I'm Jason Hammond, and today I want to walk you through painting a room the right way. Not the whole job, but the teaser version. Enough that you can decide whether you want to spend a weekend on this yourself or whether you want to write somebody a check. Here's the scene. You painted a room last year, and already the edges look fuzzy where the tape bled. There's a shiny patch above the couch where your drywall repair flashed through 2 coats. The roller left stripes you can see when the afternoon sun hits the wall. That's not a paint problem, that's a prep problem. Prep is 80% of this job, rolling is the easy part. Before you buy anything, confirm the scope. A 12 by 12 bedroom takes about 1.5 gallons of paint in 2 coats. Pay the extra $25 a gallon for mid-tier paint. Builder grade will cost you a 3rd coat and still look thin. You want an angled 2.5-inch brush, a 3/8 inch nap roller for smooth walls, real drop cloths, and 3-inch painter's tape. Now here's what the job actually looks like. You pull the outlet covers and switch plates. You tape off your trim and your windows, and you burnish every edge of that tape with your thumb, because air under the tape is where paint bleeds through. You patch every nail pop and crack, you sand smooth, and then you prime those patches. Skip priming and the patches flash through the finish coat every single time. You cut in along the ceiling, the corners, and the trim with the angled brush. One continuous stroke, start an inch off the edge, work into it. You load the roller from the tray grid until the nap is saturated but not dripping. You roll a big W on the wall to spread the paint, then you roll vertically over the W to lay it off smooth. Work in 4-foot squares. Always keep a wet edge. Then 2 coats, always, with 4 hours of dry time between. Trim goes last, at a higher sheen than the walls. The mistakes that double this job. Skipping the burnish on the tape edge. Skipping primer on your patches. Rolling dry because you didn't reload. Pulling the tape after the paint is fully dry, which tears the line. And buying cheap paint to save $30 and then laying on a 3rd coat. And one more thing. If your walls have more than a couple of small nail pops, or if you've got cracked drywall, water stains, or old texture that's failing, stop and fix the walls first. Paint will not hide a bad wall. It will highlight it. That's a different job, and I cover it in the drywall guides. For the full prep sequence, the exact sheen chart, the tape trick for razor-sharp lines, and the rolling pattern that kills streaks, grab the complete guide at hammondreengineered.com. That's hammondreengineered.com. I'll see you in the book.